Hello. This tutorial guides the users on how they can use video widgets in their layouts. You first need to log in to centryx.premsentplayer.com. Click on the Creative menu option and then the Layout submenu option. This will take you to the list of layout currently available in your account. Click the Edit Design icon next to the layout that you want to work with. This will open your new layout in the Layout Designer. The content available for you to use are listed in the repository control on the left. Videos can be filtered out using the name or by using the type filter. If the video you want to use is not available in the repository, then you need to upload it in the content library first. Once you have identified the video in the repository, you can drag and drop it over the canvas. When the video is dropped, it takes a default width and height. You can move the video around on the canvas by keeping the left mouse button down. Similarly, you can hover over the right and bottom edges and increase the size appropriately. You can also modify some of the video attributes for this layout. If the video properties are not open, you can double-click on the video to open the Video Properties window. You can also open the video properties via the Widgets list. In the properties, you should rename the widget. This becomes helpful when you have multiple widgets on your layout. You can mute or unmute your video as per your requirements. Layers help you decide which content will be drawn first. You can consider the layers as the sequence in which the contents are drawn. Widgets with the lower number layer get drawn first. Widgets with the higher number layer are drawn on top of the lower numbers widgets. Opacity controls the transparency of your widget. With a higher number of opacity, the content behind the widget becomes visible. The changes you made on the Layout Designer canvas are visible on the preview as well. Once you are done with your changes, publish your layout and make it available to be scheduled.